In today's class, let's once again repeat how we make changes in verbs which are given in direct speech. We will just have a quick revision or review of the tenses and what changes we make. As you can see on the screen, when you are given present simple, I am not going to focus on present simple is changed into past simple, present continuous, past continuous. I'm just going to focus on verb only, right? So when I am reading it, please listen to it carefully and just focus on verb. Suppose you are given, I'll just read what is given in direct speech and then we will change it into indirect speech. That is called reported speech. I work hard. Verb is first. Work is first form of verb. Then we are going to change it into second. He said that he worked hard. Means first form of verb is changed into second form of verb. Next example, I am working hard. Am working hard, is working hard, are working hard. Then is am are will be changed into was or were. As we are given an example, am working is going to be changed into was working. So it means is am are first form ing is going to be changed in was were first form ing. Simple past. Again, I am not focusing more on past simple and in telling the names of these. Let's come to example. I worked hard. Worked is second form of verb. Second form is changed into had plus third form, and we have changed it into he said that he had worked hard. Next comes was working. See, ism or first form ing was changed into was were. When ismr was given, we changed it into was were. Now what about was were? If was were is given, like I was working hard, it will change in had been working. So he said that he had been working hard. So next one is have worked. That is perfect tense. If has have is given, just change it into had worked. Had. Has have is changed into had. He said that he had worked hard. Again, I have been working hard. Have is given, just change it into had. Nothing else will be changed. He said that he had been working hard. Will, I told you, will change into would. So I will work hard will change into he would work hard. So this is going to be really important for you, that you always remember this chart, that which verb is going to change in which form of other verb. Questions in indirect speech. How we are going to change direct speech into indirect when you are given some question in direct speech. When question is given, right? Rules are going to be same. Remove punctuation marks, then you change the person, then you change the that form of verb. But you have to be a bit careful when you are given questions. As you can see in example on the screen, let me explain this thing to you. Indirect question, what is given? As you can see, here is one word which is denoting that this sentence is going to be a question. Where? Then you have a question mark in the end. That proves that now you are going to deal with interrogative sentence. Now, interrogative sentence, when it is given, first thing you have to remove, again, punctuation mark. So you are not going to repeat question mark in indirect speech. As you can see in example here. Indirect question, when you have changed it, you are not going to use question mark. You will use full stop. And one more thing, now you are not going to use the word told as you were using earlier. You will use the word asked. That's how you are going to do it. Asked. Asked is used when you are given a question. Then he asked. Now, as you can see in example, where is she going? Person is third, she is third person. So we are not going to make any changes in person. But of course, in Verb we will have to make change. As you have done right now, that is going is changed into was going. Now you will make the changes like this. He asked, where will remain same, she will come in the beginning, helping verb will go after that, and it will change into was, she was going, he asked where she was going. Now listen to me, a thing, because now we are going to discuss the thing which is very important. And what is that? First of all, you will read your question with what is given, right? Try to answer it. Suppose somebody asks you, where are you going? And you cannot answer this question in just yes or no. Suppose if I ask you a question that, are you fine? Then you can answer it in yes or no. So you can say there are two types of questions. One type of questions which can be answered by just saying yes or no. And second type of questions are those which cannot be answered in yes or no only. Now, as you can see in example, which is the first one, he said, where is she going? You can see in the example, after the question tag, which is where, is helping verb, she subject. But when we changed it into indirect, then where will remain same, because this question cannot be answered in yes or no. So that's why we have used where again. Where? Now, she will come in the beginning because this is subject and this is statement, and is will change into was, but it will come after she. So it will become, he asked where she was going. When we turn direct questions into indirect, the following changes are necessary. Tenses, again, same thing. Every time we make same thing. Tenses, pronouns, possessive adjectives, adverb of time, place, change as in statements. So this statement says whatever we were doing in simple statement like exercises, we will do same. Interrogative form of verb changes into affirmative form, which I have just discussed with you, that you have to change interrogative in just a simple statement, means that becomes affirmative form. Question mark is omitted in indirect question. Again, punctuation mark, question mark will be removed, full stop will be there. Now, if the introductory verb is say, it must be changed to a verb of inquiry, means you can also write down ask, wonder, want to know. As you can see in example, he said, where is the station? He asked, where the station? Again, you can see subject comes in the beginning, then comes helping verb. But before that, helping verb was given in the beginning, is, and then the station was after that, right? Then ask is also used when a person is addressed. He asked what you have got in the bag. He asked me what I had got in my bag. So in the same way, you can use wonder and want to know, and they don't take any direct object. So basically, in interrogatives, you have to learn how to make changes in verb part. As you can see in this example, he said, why didn't you put on the brake? Now I want to tell you that how you make changes in did.